Hello, this is Rich. Here today to demo the Firewall Installation rubber fastener tool. And I actually have 11 of these things already loaded up. I load them up. This is the tool. It's a stainless steel with a knurled end and a hole in the end as a pull tool, and it's got a hole in the end about 1.1 inches deep. And here's the fastener. You soap up your fastener tool. Just put a little bit on the tip. You don't need a lot. You push the tool to make it a point a little bit to stretch out the rubber, and you simply just push it into the tool like so, and you got it loaded. And the objective here is to thread this from the inside to the outside, because that's the part that's inside, the flange of the rubber. And when you pull on the tool, can you see that? I think, yeah. When you pull on the tool, it stretches the rubber, comes out with a pop, and hopefully it stretches the rubber out enough to make up the distance between the inside of the firewall insulation backing through the thick padding. It's a jute, which is a mixture of who knows what, and through the firewall itself. You can see some of them loaded there. I'm going to put this stuff away and crawl underneath the car. Not the car, the car. That's how you can tell when people are from New England, right? And this is my pull tool. That's going to go like this while I'm in there. And let's see what happens. Oh, you know what that was? That was the old noggin on the engine mount that's in here. Made it. Can you see me now? Alright, here we go. I don't know, pick one. You guys want to time me? Start now. So, hopefully, there's one. What you want to do is make sure the insulation is pushed up against the firewall. There's two. There's one here. Out of the firewall. I don't know if you can see this one or not, but this is where it's doubled up. So without the heater box in there, I'm cheating a little bit. I got my hand up against the backside. Yeah, I need all the help I can get. I usually work alone, so if I got a free hand, might as well use it. Bingo. Yep, that's a good guy. Sometimes you got to grab the tip and pull on it a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Here's 4. Yep, that's a pot. This one's way in the corner. Yep, you heard the pot. That's a good one. Now let's go way over here, the far end. And I don't know, I can stick my finger in the. Yep, I made it. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. Yep, that's a good one. 6. Here's 7 up here. Yep. There's 8. I'm sticking my finger in where the steering column usually goes. Oh, this is where it's doubled up, so you want to make sure you get a good. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is up high. This one might be tricky. Oh, I got a hole here in this. Whoop. Pull tool slipped. Yep. Ah, lost that one. Oh well. That's where it's doubled up. And we'll have to rethread that one. There might be too much soap on that one. I did find when I do this, if you put too much soap, it makes it too slippery. So when you pull the tool out, it has a tendency to slip out sooner. Alright, and there are two more. Oh, I gotta crawl out here. In the wheel wells. See if I can do this without whacking my head again. There's one in each wheel well. Oh, I got a flashlight. I forgot to bring my flashlight over. You can't see this one, but I took a picture of it. It's that picture I got shown there. See if this one works. Got nobody on the inside, but hey, it worked. That one worked. One left. When I get that other one loaded, I'm going to try to rethread that one. It's way up there. Like right about there. You know, if there is somebody with you, it'd be good to just have them push on the flange on the inside. See if I can get this one threaded in. Oh, the tool dropped. Bingo. Got it. Okay. So which one did I lose? That top one. I got one threaded, my little demo piece. Let's see if I can get that one in. It has the one that's up really high. You just thread it through the holes. So I'm going to cheat. If you don't have a windshield on the car, makes it a little easier. Oh, yeah, there we go. It's working along. Save the windshield installation for after firewall installation. All the time. Here we go. You get it?